Welcome to Top Cars. Today we are taking a look at the 2025 Toyota
prepare
Corolla,
flour.
a model that continues to set the standard for reliability, efficiency, and modern design. This latest version builds on its legacy with improved features, a fresh exterior, and a refined driving experience that makes it one of the best choices in the compact sedan segment. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Corolla comes with a bold new look. The front grille has been redesigned to give it a more aggressive stance, and the LED headlights are now sharper and more streamlined. The sculpted lines along the body enhance aerodynamics while giving the car a sleek and stylish profile. The rear end features updated tail lights and a sportier bumper, making sure the Corolla stands out on the road. The available color options include striking new shades that add to its appeal, ensuring there is a version for every personality. Inside, the 2025 Corolla has been upgraded with premium materials and cutting-edge technology. The dashboard features a larger touchscreen infotainment system with improved responsiveness and smartphone connectivity, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats have been redesigned for better comfort, with higher trims offering leather upholstery and power adjustments. Rear passengers get more legroom, making long drives more enjoyable. The ambient lighting adds a modern touch, creating a comfortable and stylish cabin environment. Under the hood, the new Corolla offers multiple powertrain options to suit different driving needs. The base model features a fuel-efficient 4-cylinder engine, delivering an excellent balance of power and economy. For those looking for more efficiency, the hybrid variant continues to impress with remarkable fuel savings, making it an ideal choice for city driving. Toyota has also enhanced the driving dynamics with improved suspension and steering, ensuring a smooth and responsive ride. When it comes to safety, Toyota never compromises. The 2025 Corolla is equipped with the latest Toyota Safety Sense package, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These features provide peace of mind whether you are navigating busy city streets or cruising on the highway. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Corolla continues to be a top contender in the compact car segment. With its refreshed design, advanced technology, efficient performance, and top-tier safety features, it remains a smart choice for anyone looking for a dependable and stylish daily driver. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Corolla and if you would consider it as your next car. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Top Cars for more in-depth car reviews and updates on the latest models. Here's your script for the 2025 Toyota Corolla. Let me know if you need any modifications or additional details.